Hello YouTube, so today I'll be making an overview of how the 29-inch ultra-widescreen monitor actually works with multitasking. So I'm currently using this on a Mac. The screen resolution is 2560 by 1080. So this is a fairly interesting resolution. So if you take into consideration the 27-inch iMac, you'd see that this is significantly wider than the 21.5 inch, but it's not as high as the 27 inch. So we're going to see how this actually holds up with different applications, how I can multitask with different applications, if I can fit different things on the screen, how it looks like, etc. So let's say we have Dr. Java open. This is a programming IDE. You can see I can quickly snap it to the right, left, like that. And I have more than sufficient space to put this beside, let's say, the calculus textbook. So here I can take my calculus textbook, I can go to a table of contents, I can quickly switch over to a chapter. I have everything available to me, side, side, side. I can even make this like that. Now the issue with making it 1/4 of the screen is that it's a little bit too small to see. But unlike in the traditional screen, which is like 1920 by 1080, this one you can perfectly fit two side by side. If you really want to, and you have like a messenger app such as iMessage, you can still possibly make it like that, just so that you can send the messages. In fact, this is probably enough for coding by itself. You can fit everything in here, and you can code, and you can have Chrome in here, and your textbook in here, or whatever else you have. So you definitely have a lot of potential here. If you have it like that, that's significantly wide, and it just looks awkward if you place it like that. But if you place it like this, halfway, it's perfectly fine. By the way, if you're wondering which app I'm using doing this on, it's with the Better Snap tool. So I customized it so that on my mechanical keyboard, I can quickly do Control, and then it'll swap it based off of the number pads. I have a video on that on another. I have another video of that review. But anyways, it's very nice, especially if you do something like competitive programming. You can have Google Chrome on this side. You can have the other thing on the other side. Quickly load up a web page. I can go to see my school's programming website. Go like that. Move this over like this. Move this over like this. All the web pages are fully optimized to work with this resolution. Unlike the other one where you have these odd bars sticking and weird formatting. So if you have 1920, you'd look something like this. It just looks awkward, and it's awkward to use because everything gets scaled very tiny. But if you have it like this, it's fine. You can even go like this, actually. You can go open a new window, move it down here, go to wikipedia.org, search up some Wikipedia articles. Let's say we can have, for instance, we can search up, what can we search up? Greedy algorithm. I wonder if I have the article on that. We should. Greedy algorithm, okay. Let's move this over here. Let's say we're doing like a report. So we can open up text edit. So we can write some hello world. And we can move this down here. It's very nice, and overall, it's very useful because I can basically see everything that I'm working on all at the same time, and I do not need to flip between things. It's very practical. It makes everything very efficient, and overall I enjoy, and it made my workflow much better. For those who are in games, there might be an issue with the resolution as some games aren't optimized for it. Personally, I think it looks really nice on like racing games, but of course it depends on the person, really. There's not much you can do about it. If you have a game that's not compatible, you can always just switch the graphics and then you get black bars on the side, which is always fun. So yeah, this is basically my take on the ultra-widescreen monitor. I hope you guys enjoy and see how this works overall. I haven't had any issues with Windows XP or Windows in general. No real issues in terms of resolution or problem like that. It's just, if you only have, let's say, text editor like this, it's huge. It's really awkward to look at. But once you split it into half, it's much more manageable and you can actually use it properly. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for